Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make basically any microphone sound amazing. So the two things I'm going to be teaching you in this video are how to use Voicemeeter and this OBS plugin that will also make your recording sound really good. So let's get right into it. Okay, so firstly, we're going to be going to this website called Voicemeeter. Alright, so go on this website right here, the first link. It should take you to somewhere here. What you want to do here, go click banana. After clicking banana, just scroll down a little bit and click download right here. It should start down, and then save it. It should start downloading, and while that's installing, what we're gonna do is download voice audio cable, and you just want to click download right here and click save. What you guys want to do next is open up your file explorer, go to your downloads. Now what are we gonna do is extract them both. So come here, click here, and right click on one of these, click extract to, and that should extract it. Click on this one, right click on it, extract it. You can delete these, we don't need those. Now here you want to get your drivers, you want to click on this, right click on it, and click run as administrator, and then click install. I can't do that right now or it will mess up the video, but you guys can do it. Click install, it will install it for you. And here you want to do the same, click here, run as administrator, and click install. It will install it for you as well. Okay, after your two things are installed, what you want to do is open Voicemeeter. So here's my Voicemeeter right here. So basically what you want to do is click this and then click on your microphone. So basically this is my microphone. Click on the microphone and come here and click A1 because this is your A1. So click A1 and set VB audio port. So VB audio port is basically that audio cable that we downloaded, and this is what you're going to be putting in all your basically apps to use them. So basically what you want is make sure this red is somewhere about here. That's like best in my opinion. If you have it too here, it's going to be really deep and it's not going to sound good. If you have it here, it's going to sound really not high pitched, but it's just going to be sound squeaky, I guess. So if you want it to sound really good, just bring it somewhere here. It's going to sound really good. Alright guys, that's basically it for the Voicemeeter settings. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use that plugin for OBS. Okay everyone, so to basically get the OBS plugins, what you want to do is just search up Marvel GQ plugin, and you should find it. So it's this first link right here. I'll also of course link all these down below. And basically what you want to do is, since I have Windows, I'm going to click this button. You guys can do is click these other ones. So if you have Mac, you can click this one. Okay, so you want to click this one if you have Mac, this right one. This one is a bit different, and for Windows just click this one. It's fine. So after you install it, save, and while it's install it, click yes, click agree, and go through the installation process like this. Save it onto its default and just install it over there. Since I already have it installed, I'm not going to install it, but that's basically it. Alright, the next step is to actually apply it into OBS. So what you want to do is go to your microphone, and for me, my microphone's right here, so I'm going to click this button, click filters. You might have like microphone here, input device, mic, but for me my microphone's right here. So I'm gonna go to filters. After in filters, you want to add a new filter and VS2 plugin. Alright, so after you have your VS2 plugin, you're gonna see anything here, so right click on it and click Marvel GEQ. After you have that, just click open plugin interface, and you want something like this. This one sounds good. You can go to presets and just click bassy and brighter and click load. Wait, okay. You can click brighter and bassy and click activate, and that will activate this normal one for you. And these are usually good, but I have this one I use. I'll also link it down below if you guys want to use it. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you import it into OBS. Alright everyone, that's basically it for the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll also be having these file download links in the description down below, so you guys can just download over there. Also, make sure to join my Discord for any help or anything that you need. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.